How to change the directory for recording on Zoom for Windows. If you record many Zoom meetings on your Windows computer or laptop, you might need to change the directory where the recordings are saved. I have an SSD that I use only to keep software and Windows. That hard disk is not big, but is fast and helps me do the task I need. When you do records for a meeting, if the meetings are large and long, your recording might be very big. What can you do to be sure not to run out of space on your current hard disk? You can change the directory where the recordings are stored. So how can we do that? To do this, just open Zoom. You need to have an account on Zoom to set up these settings, so log in with your account on Zoom like I have here. Now, click on the Settings button. If you do not see this button, click on the profile icon and from the menu select Settings. On this window, select Recordings from the left. You will see an option here, Store my recordings at. Here you will see the path to your record directory. To change the recording directory, click on Change. Now go to the folder you want to record your Zoom meeting. After you have selected the new directory, just click OK. Now you have changed the directory for your recordings. This is how you change your recording directory. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.